Okay, so let's just jump right into this video. I'm going to show you guys how I co-wash my natural hair. I do have some heat damage, quote unquote. You know, if you watch some of my videos, you know how I feel about that. I don't feel like your hair is damaged. You just flat iron it too much, okay? But anyways, that's besides the point. So as you can see here, I'm soaking my hair, making sure that I get it really, really wet. And I do massage my scalp a little bit. It just feels good to me. And throughout this whole process, you'll see me kind of digging into my scalp. So yeah, you know, just soaking it under the shower. Then I'm going to move on to parting my hair into two sections. Now, once I part my hair into two sections, I take that section that I'm going to work with and I part it in half. Now, by this point, I already have my conditioner in my hair. Now, I use this brush. I'm not really sure where I got this brush from, but this is the only brush I use when I'm in the shower co-washing my hair. And as you see, I just comb through with the brush. And the co-wash conditioner allows me to use this brush to comb through without pulling out my hair or, you know, my hair getting tangled or anything like that. Every time I co-wash my hair, I use this brush, and this brush actually helps me relieve like the itchiness in my scalp. So after that side, I move on to the next side, and I just do practically, I pretty much do the same thing that I did on the other side. I apply my conditioner, I separate my hair into two sections, and then I use the brush to comb through. So once I've made sure that I have combed through both sides of my hair, I turn the shower water on cool, not too cool to where I'm freezing, but a little bit on cool, and I use the brush to just kind of comb through my hair again, making sure I get all the dead hair out, making sure that I'm massaging my scalp as I'm combing through my hair, and it just allows the product to just kind of go through, run through, and making sure that I get all of it out once I'm rinsing out my hair. And you guys, that's pretty much it. I just kind of make sure I'm using the brush to get to my scalp, because that's what's most important to me when I'm co-washing my hair. Just kind of soothes my scalp. And that's all I do when I co-wash my hair. Nothing difficult. You know, it's pretty much simple. Part my hair in two, apply my conditioner, comb through, and I'm good. You know, I don't really lose a lot of hair when I do that. So yeah, I appreciate you guys so much for watching this video.